Hey guys, today I will show you how to change profile picture in Dota 2. This helps if your profile still shows the default avatar or you want friends to recognize you faster. Your Dota 2 profile picture is linked to your Steam profile, not an in-game option. First, open Steam. Click your profile name at the top, then View My Profile. Click Edit Profile, then go to Avatar. Upload an image from your computer and save changes. Once you open Dota 2, your new profile picture will update automatically. Quick tip: use an image that has a decent quality or at least 184 by 184 pixels so it doesn't blur in-game or on leaderboards. And that's how to change profile picture in Dota 2. Thank you so much for watching.